Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetrading.system.com. I want to make this video quickly about crude oil. So let's get started. I'll take you back a few charts back from before. This is the daily chart, 6th April 2024 I made, and this is one of the pattern showing here, right? And I wrote it down here. Is it bad? Will it drop? Right. So why? Because of these patterns, they're there, but sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. Right. It depends on the fundies, what kind of fundie we get. So luckily, this one, what happened to this chart so far is not so far, but after that, you see this around 3rd June I recorded, and it came down to this level again. Right. This XABC, it bounced from here and then went up to 88%, then came back to almost that level, almost, right? So from here, I was watching it, right? And I wasn't trading much of this, but now I just noticed something, and then I traded today, and I came up with a trade like this, right? So it was like US oil, 20-minute, took and this entry short to go to the downside. Why? When you see this mumbo jumbo of this the Fibonacci tool, right? Fibonacci levels, then you can easily understand and then catch this move, right? But now I'm thinking about going reversal to the upside. Why? Because if you look at this chart here, live chart of the oil, this was the pattern we were talking about, right? X, A, B, C, D. I said, well, will it drop? And it dropped all the way here, right? To that level. After that, what happened? Now watch this blue count, right? Forget about this one now. So count the blue one, take a look at the blue count, and you understand what's happening now. You see that blue XA, now B is exactly at 78%. It just kissed to the line, to the pip, and then came down here and then posting a reversal candle. We call it like a hammer, right? Right at the level, and then 38%. And then there is also a level, weekly low of 77.51 on the weekly chart of oil, right? And very nice reversal candle. And after that, we are making a bullish candle. So this is the calculation for something like this, right? So this is a pattern. You can see that XA and the price move straight up to B, point B, posting 78%. Then it goes back to 38%, most likely, or sometimes even go down to 23% and then go up to 127%, right? And even to 161, but most likely the first level is 127. So we will concentrate on that. So if it is bouncing from 38%, then if it is continue going to the upside, this is the pattern that I will be focusing on. It may not go all the way there, but right now it is bouncing from. That's what important, that it is posting point C and bouncing from there. So even if it goes up here, I'll be happy, right? I'll go long and then see what happens. When it was coming down, I saw the 78%, then going down to 38. So I shorted it, right? And it went down straight up to 38%. Now it's going to the upside. And let's see how far it goes. So this is, see that? Exactly, right? So you see, pull the fib from here to here, 78%, back to 38%. Now going, this is 127%. So let's see if I'm right and if it goes all the way to the upside. I'm in a hurry to make this chart, so that's why you don't see all these bullets here, all these highs and lows. I'll mark them later. But I just wanted to make this video quickly so that, if there is an entry, you can take advantage of that. If you're already my subscriber, then you know what to do from the 20-minute chart. You should have the brick size and all that, and take it from there. If you're not, and if you wish to trade like this, then go on my website here, creativetrading.system.com, subscribe, do whatever you need to be done, and then, just take it from there. All right. So this is just oil. I will make another video in a few minutes, recapping the whole thing, because yesterday I missed the webinar, right? And that's why I'm going to have to make a video tonight and send out about US dollar and everything else, yen index and US dollar index and all of that, right? So till then, enjoy with this chart and see if you can do it. Oil is kind of like moving a little bit, and gold is moving, going to the upside. Like I said, that is going to bounce from 387. It is already bouncing, and yeah, it is already going to the upside. And right now it is 2402. Right, so nice and clean. I have a long entry here already on gold. Bitcoin, I'm expecting as it's going to move and it's going to go down a little bit. All right, it went up all the way, 78%, just like this one. All right, so 78%. So Bitcoin also doing the same thing. It down, it is big down move and then straight up to 78. So you see this one is dropping here, then maybe Bitcoin will also drop to the 38% line. And I made the chart already and I posted on the Telegram. Right, so let's see what happened. Let me see if quickly if I have the chart here for Bitcoin, the one I just made, and I posted on the Telegram. And if I can quickly find it, that's the name of the game, finding it, right? Maybe this is what it is. All right, yeah. So you see, if you see this, it is, this move from here to here, it went straight up to 78%. And I just showed you the oil chart, usually from 78, it goes back to either 38 or 23% line. So that's what I'm expecting, that it's going to drop here first and then go to the upside, but it can go to the upside without dropping. So be careful, right? It's like if then, right? It start dropping, I see my short setup, I'll take it. Simple as that. I already have it, right? You see this short entry. If it's going to survive, then fine, I'll take it all the way to 38. If not, then I'll see that if it's going to the upside, then yeah, I'll go long. Okay, so this is it for now for oil, and I will make another video about recapping almost everything, and I'll send out as soon as possible. So don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. So my channel, actually, not YouTube, right? So that you can get these videos on time, so you can take advantage of those, right? So bye for now and talk to you guys there.